Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some country chic home decor inspiration ideas. Let's start the video. Country chic home decor is a warm, cozy and stylish blend of rustic country charm with elegant vintage touches. It is sometimes called French country chic, Shabby chic country, or country glam. This style combines natural, charm elements with defined, feminine details, creating spaces that feel both inviting and romantic. Popular spaces in country chic homes: living room. Use linen slip-covered sofas, vintage coffee tables, and floral cushions. Kitchen. Use open shelves, farmhouse sink, and vintage china on display. Bedroom. Use iron bed frames, floral quilts, and vintage dressers. Bathrooms. Use clawfoot tubs, pedestal sinks, and lace curtains. Overall feel: country chic decor feels inviting, charming, nostalgic, and graceful. It is perfect for those who love rustic beauty but still want touches of elegance and comfort. Here is a deeper look into country chic home decor, including its origins, emotional essence, styling layers, and how it connects rustic charm with elegance. How does country chic home decor in depth? Origins and inspiration. Country chic style draws inspiration from traditional country homes like French, English, and American farmhouses. Vintage elegance from the 19th and early 20th centuries. The natural beauty of countryside living, gardens, meadows, woodlands. It blends the relaxed, handmade feel of the country with graceful vintage touches and feminine elegance. Emotional and sensory essence. Country chic is not just a decor style, it is a feeling, warmth. The soft fabrics, time-worn finishes, and warm neutrals create a space that hugs you. Nostalgia. Antique or heirloom items evoke memories and charm. Tranquility. Use light colors, flowing fabrics, and natural light shimmer paint. Romance. Everything feels slightly poetic, delicate, and full of soul. Late's foundational elements. Color palette. Use whites, creams, soft gray, pastel blue, shell green, and dusty rose. Fabrics. Use linen, lace, cotton, muslin, ruffled curtains, and crochet trims. Furniture. Use painted wood, distressed finishes, vintage finds, and soft curves. Textures. Tipped paint, faded wood grain, floral embroidery, and jaw iron. Lighting. Old iron candelabras, glass lanterns, vintage sconces, lamps with fabric shades. Decor themes and accents. Florals everywhere. Curtains, cushions, wallpaper, even dishes. Layered textiles. Quilts, lace runners, stuffed slip covers, and crocheted drawers. Antique finds. Use old trunks, iron case, enamel pictures, and hand-carved mirrors. Farmhouse charm is wicker baskets, milk jugs, barnwood frames, and vintage skulls. Handcrafted details, DIY threads, handmade sign, and vintage embroidery hoops. Room by room vibe. First, living room. You sleep covered sofas, floral armchairs, and window side tables. Also use gallery wall with antique frames and soft landscape prints. Kitchen. Use open shelving with ceramic dishes, apron from farmhouse sink, bedboard walls, and antique cutting boards. Also use mason jars, herb planters, and wood spoons as decor. Bedroom. Use old iron wooden bed frames with vintage quads. Also use soft lighting, floral curtains, and romantic touches like lace pillows or a vanity table. Bathroom. Use pedestal sinks, clawfoot tub, floral shower curtains. Also use wire baskets, vintage perfume bottles, Shabby mirror frames. Styling tips for an authentic look: mix new with old, combine modern comfort with aged pieces. Don't overmatch, the charm lies in the imperfection. Crowd softly. Let take out a quiet story, nothing should shout. Use found objects, old ladder as towel holders, cradles as shelves. Create cozy corners, reading nooks, tea spots, or a mini indoor garden. Moodboard imagery. Mentally picture it: sunlight spilling over linen drapes, a vase of charred lavender on a tipped white table. Moodboard imagery. Mentally picture it: sunlight spilling over linen drapes, a vase of charred lavender on a tipped white table. A warm basket of freshly baked scones beside a teacup, a vintage floral apron hanging on a hook. Soft music playing on an old radio, and a calm, rural scented space. Country chic is not just about furniture or color. It is about creating a soulful, poetic homes that feels connected to nature, memory, and simplicity. It celebrates beauty in imperfection, softness in living, and the charm of a slower, intentional life. Philosophy behind this style: perfectly imperfect, scratches, fading paint, chipped enamel. These are not flaws, they are character. Every piece tells a story. Old meets soft. The roundness of countryside life, soft by vintage elegance. Raw meat refined. Comfort first. Spaces are made for living, lounging, sipping tea, reading, napping, not just display. Symbolism and emotional layers. Stress ode, aching with grace, enduring to time. Lace curtains for femininity, softness, protection from the outside world. Floral patterns for romance, growth, blooming, and beauty. Antique clocks and frames for nostalgia, memory, and timelessness. Wicker and rattan, earthy connection, countryside craftsmanship. decor pairings: old iron bed plus floral quilt plus antique chunk equal romantic countryside bedroom. Whitewashed hutch plus ceramic jugs plus lace dollars equal Prince Farmhouse charm. Rustic oak bench plus crochet cushions plus basket of herbs equal cozy kitchen corner. This combination invites warmth, calm, and reflection. Atmosphere and daily life within it. Imagine living in a country chic space, morning sun through chic things, the clink of vintage china during breakfast, the scent of dried lavender in a hallway, an old radio playing soft church or folk music, a book half read on a cozy linen armchair. Every detail contributes to an experience that's gentle, romantic, and deeply personal. Small details that add big soul. Hand-labeled jars for flour and tea, pressed flowers in glass frames, a wicker baskets of rolled linens on the floor. A crackled vase with curtain roses, a stack of old books tied with string, a mirror with peeling gold leaf trim, crochet-edged napkins for a tea tray. Each object is chosen not for trendiness but for meaning and mood. Creative ways to add country charm. DIY ideas. Paint an old chair white and distress it with sandpaper. Frame a windows fabric scarf or embroidery. Make a messenger herb garden for the windowsill. Budget tips. Chipped old frames and repaint them. Use burlap twine or lace ribbon to style vases and shelves. Repurpose old drawers as underbed storage or wall shelves. Country chic home decor, a soulful lifestyle, more than design. Country chic is a gentle philosophy of living, rooted in nature, memory, romance, and simplicity. It transforms a house into a sanctuary, a place where beauty is soft, lived in, and full of whispers from the past. Timeless beauty through imperfections. Country chic embraces the beauty of aging, a cracked teacup still cherished, a faded floral print that reminds you of your grandmother's garden, a withered bench by the window, waiting with quiet patience. It is not about perfection, it is about presence. This style honors items that have lived a life full of scratches, stories, and softness. It is nostalgia wrapped in linen. The art of layering a life. Country chic layers texture, light, time, and scent. A linen runner adopt. A oak table with a vase of peonies. A scented candle beside a bowl of old keys. A mirror reflecting lace and white light. Layering is solo and deliberate, meant to create emotion, not just decoration. Seasonal expressions of country chic. This style shifts gently with the seasons. Spring is pastel florals, fresh herbs, and gingham linens. Summer use white cotton, dried wildflowers, open windows with cozy charms. Autumn use oven baskets, cinnamon candles, and weathered copper pots. Autumn Oven baskets, cinnamon candles, and feathered copper pots. Winter, knitted throws, anti-candle holders, and lace-trimmed flannel. Country chic is not static, it lives with the rhythm of the earth. Daily rituals in a country chic home: picking wildflowers and placing them in glass bottles, journaling beside a candle at dawn, baking sconces in a vintage oven tray, hanging freshly washed linen on a line, displaying heirlooms not to impress, but to remember. It is a lifestyle of intentional simplicity and everyday elegance. Crafted clutter, artful, not accidental. Unlike modern minimalism, country chic embraces what looks like gentle clutter, but it is actually intentionally poetic. Examples: a stack of old books tied with twine on a lace doily, a wooden craft filled with rolled-up vintage fabrics, tiny vases, each with a single wildflower scattered across a table. It is not mess, it is visual storytelling. Country chic outdoors. This style often flows out into the garden or patio. Old iron furniture with floral cushions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.